Hey guys, this is Mike from Texas Amps and Axes, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to log practice hours into the MyMusic staff system. Uh, to do that, first you're going to have to log in to the student portal. If you don't know how to get there, you're simply going to go to our website, which is school.texasampsandaxes.com. Click on the resources menu and click on the student login portal tab. Here you're going to enter your email address and password. If you don't already have that information, or if you forgot it for any reason, shoot us an email and we will get it to you as soon as possible. But then you're going to go ahead and click login, and it will bring you to your default page, which is the calendar. To enter practice hours, all you're going to have to do is come to the left side over here and click on practice log. And then you'll see there's a green button right here that says add time. You click on it. Choose the day that you practiced, choose the amount of time that you practiced. If you want to enter any notes or any questions that you have for your teacher, you can enter it here. If you want them to see that and send it by email, you'll just click on this little email teacher, and it will, when you send it, it will send them an email as well. And then you hit save, and as you can see, we have just logged 30 minutes of practice time into our system. You can also see on our home screen when you come in, if you click home, it'll give you an immediate shot of how many hours you've practiced each week. So hopefully that will be helpful. As always, we want to thank you for working with us here at Texas Amps and Axes. Hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next time.